How to use a vanilla gift card on DoorDash. Now you have a vanilla gift card and you want to use it on DoorDash. Well, you can absolutely do that. You can just use the DoorDash app or you can go to DoorDash.com and log into your respective account. On the bottom left of the website, you will see the account icon. Go to the account icon there, and from the pop-up menu that appears, select the option called Payments. Now, another thing to note is that if it is a vanilla DoorDash gift card, so if there is any mention of DoorDash in your vanilla gift card and it is meant for DoorDash, then you could scroll down to here and you can see have a gift card and you can just click the redeem now button. You'll be taken to the page where you can enter your redeem code and it will be applied in your next order. However, if it is just a vanilla gift card, then it is a Visa gift card and which has a Visa stamp on it. So in that case, instead of using the redeem button, we have to use the card as a normal payment method like a credit or debit card. So under add new payment method, select credit or debit card as your vanilla Visa gift card number, CVC, expiration date, and if it doesn't have a zip code, then you can just enter the zip code of your home address and click on the add card option. This way you'll be able to use your vanilla gift card on DoorDash. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.